Let me introduce you to a query that will help you look for misassignments. Sometimes isomers are difficult to assign correctly, and this tool will search through your determinations and present those cases to you one at a time. The objective here is to find the situations which share the same mass extraction window and also share the same retention time extraction window, and I'll show you in the example even share the same start and end of the integration retention time windows. And last, if you set it up, it will respect the sample amount limit, which will give you a list which only shows you those determinations over that reporting limit. So in a moment in the demo, I'll show you the query which gives you a list, and then you can interactively follow up. And we'll look at orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. Also, it will show you whether those have overlapped in their integration times and show you the delta RT and the delta area. If the delta RT and area are 0, it's a certainty that that's the same peak, which is now assigned to two different compounds. All right, here we are in the demo, and as you can see, sample 5 has triggered the sample amount outlier, meaning it's over the reporting limit in a number of cases. So let's run the query. Here's the isomer overlap query. It will give me a list, and I will squeeze that up over here and stretch it out a bit so I can see it. And let's drop to the bottom and look at sample 5. Let's look at the case where that I mentioned, where the delta area is 0 and the delta RT, and you can see 1,3-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene are actually pointing to the same result. Another interesting example in sample 5 is the set of chlorotoluenes. So propylbenzene is coming out in that same elution time. Let's look at orthochlorotoluene, and here I see it right here. Then let's move down to parachlorotoluene, which is right next to it. And I can see that those did get assigned, but I'm indicated to review them because they do overlap in integrations and their delta RTs are very close. So this will allow you to zero in and review determinations to make sure they were assigned correctly. That's the definition of this query, which lives in this directory, Mass Hunter Scripts Quant Queries, the definition. And thanks for your attention.